Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ghazan Khan, group leader of Group 1. Today we are here to present our final lab task, which is a piano application using assembly language and BIOS interrupt calls. So we start off and we have a function called prtstr, which basically prints some text about how to use the application on the screen. Then we have a function called getKey. This function basically uses a BIOS interrupt called 16H, which has zero function. It waits for the user input. After taking the input, we compare it if the user has pressed the escape key. If the user has pressed the escape key, it will quit, or else we will move on with our program. So after taking input from the user, we check whether the user has entered any number from 1 to 8. If the user has not entered any number from 1 to 8, we will again go to the get key function and then take the input from the user again. Then after taking input from the user, we convert that input into a equivalent index number from the table we have down below that has some tone values, or we can call them frequencies. After converting the input into an index, after converting the input into an equivalent index number, we play the sound using the output port of our computer that connects our computer to the speaker. Then we have a delay function which will not abruptly stop the sound that comes off of the speakers. We increase or decrease the delay that comes off the speaker. After that, we clear out the keyboard buffer. Then we play a stop note so that our sound does not end abruptly. And thank you. Alright, so this is the final look of our program. You can see the frequencies that we play here, and yeah, that's it. So this is how we execute our application. We have already compiled our application and got the outcome and the necessary files that are required to execute the application. Now we only start the application and press the buttons 1 to 8, and it plays some notes, and if we press escape, the application closes. Thank you.